Let's now say we've got that £50,000. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a research to understand how we can use our £50,000 effectively, because at the end of the day, this may be borrowed money, or maybe it's money that we've been saving and saving and saving. We use our tears and blood to get that money saved. So you need to do a little research, given the market viability through doing those research, looking at the locations where that property is going to be located is crucial. So once we've determined that, the second thing we need to do is to leverage in mortgages. Okay, we need to leverage with the £50,000 we have. So what we will do at that point, with the £50,000 we have, we are going to go and buy 2 houses. These 2 houses are houses that would worth £100,000 or less. In this example, let's just say we take £100,000. We went and bought that property for £100,000 each. So that gives us 2 properties at £100,000. But what you'd like to note here is you do not buy the property outright. It's not your £100,000, your £200,000 used to buy that property. You would have used your £50,000 as deposit, £25,000 for the first house, and another £25,000 for the second house. That then brings us the £50,000. And what the bank will lend you, it will lend you 75% of each house, i.e. 75,000 for the first house and 75,000 for the other house. That then gives you a portfolio of £200,000. When deciding between investing in banks through savings accounts, CDs or bonds, and real estate for maximizing profit, it's important for you to consider the following things I'm going to be sharing with you now. The first thing you're going to be looking at is your return on your investment. What sort of return do you want in your investment? Banks generally offer a low return on your investment due to low interest rates on savings and fixed income investment. So in essence, because it's safer investment, you get less return on your investment, whereas property potentially gives you higher return on your investment through rental income and capital appreciation and leveraging from other people to make your investment fruitful and to reduce the risk that involved in investing. So doing that then would allow you to expedite your investment process. Before I get to the point, you need to believe in yourself first. You need to believe in yourself when nobody believes in you. So what I do basically every morning, I look at myself in the mirror and say these things. I am a doer, I'm an action taker, I'm relentless, I'm different, and I was born to be different, right? Say to myself, I'm confident. I say all this affirmation to myself. I'm a doer, action taker, relentless, confidence, and me. No one's gonna change me. I am a thumbprint. I'm different, I'm unique. I was born to be different. So I repeat these things over and over and over and over and over and over again, and then it actually becomes a second nature. Because what that does is basically start to change your belief system. It start making you believe in yourself when nobody does, especially if you've not been doing some certain things. If you think, oh, is it the right time to say it, or is it the right time to do this, then you get that good. But if you're repeating this affirmation to yourself, believing in yourself, saying it's possible, I am a doer, I'm relentless, I'm an action taker, I'm me, I'm different, I'm born to be different, I'm born to be me, I'm born to be unique. Things like this will really, really entice you to become confident, because the reason why I was in confidence in my case is because I was trying to fit in. I was trying to be like other people. I was trying to speak like other people. I was trying to pretend to be someone else. So which was really derailing, because I tried to memorize how to behave. I try to memorize how to speak. I try to memorize all these things. And then when I get to the person, I just go blank. And when I go blank, my energy shoots down and I cannot even speak properly. I cannot even articulate my words because I'm so deflated. But then what I did basically, when I start repeating this after myself, I start believing in myself. I start saying things. I start not worrying about what people think about my accent. I start worrying about what I think about myself, not what someone else. When you're looking for a networking group, is to look for a networking group that align to your goal. So what do I mean by that? It's basically looking for a professional group that is doing what you intend to do or what you set yourself to do. And they align with your ethics, they align with your drive, they kind of, it's a group that really would accommodate what you set yourself to achieve. You see, there's so many people join groups because, oh, this is a networking group, I'm going to go and join it. They have not got a reason why they're joining. Basically, they're just joining because everybody is joining that group. If the group is not for you, it doesn't align to your goal, there are lots of groups out there that you could use or you could be part of to actually help you get you a little bit closer to where you want to go.